Hi everyone, it's Chef Rose, and today is Baked Meringue Day. And hopefully you've read the lecture notes. This is a French meringue right here. I am going to prepare Japanese meringue layers, and it's pronounced Japanese. And this is part of a category of Decois cake layers made with meringue. Decois is the other word you'll see on your lecture notes. So basically, I have my oven set really low at 250. I have a half sheet pan here, and I'm going to do three 6-inch round Japanese meringue cake layers. And so you see I've got myself a template. Of course, I've turned it over so the marker is on the other side. And I have a pastry bag fitted with the plain hole tip to pipe out the layers. It's going to make it a lot easier and faster to pipe it versus spreading it. And in this bowl here, I have and this is a recipe Japanese in the book, and I'm doing a quarter of the recipe. So it is, this is 4 ounces of ground toasted hazelnuts and 4 ounces of confectioner's sugar blended really well together. And so the French meringue was made with 4 ounces of egg whites and 4 ounces of granulated sugar. And hopefully by now you know a French meringue, very similar to what we did last week for the French macarons. So you can see, remember, to know if it's beaten correctly, the whip should stand up on its own. Pull it straight up. Perfect. Nice little whip there. So this recipe is actually very easy. It's all equal parts of egg whites, sugar, powdered sugar, and ground nuts. Could be almonds or hazelnuts. All right, so I'm going to, let me move the camera. I'm going to transfer. Transfer the meringue into the hazelnut. Oh, I love hazelnuts. When I went to Switzerland years ago, people, when they greet you in their home, put out bowls of hazelnuts. Kind of like people would do here, mixed nuts with usually peanuts, but they're big on hazelnuts. So it can be hard to find in the US. All right, so I'm going to fold it in. So unlike a picky French macaron, this one, I don't have to use old egg whites. This cake layer will not get a foot like a French macaron did. And I don't have to worry about mixing it till it has a certain texture as well. So it's going to be very thick. Looks great. Just make sure it's well mixed. Beautiful. All right. Let's go ahead and move the camera so you can see the piping. Don't overfill the bag. I'm going to only fill it about halfway. Now these cake layers will take about an hour in the oven. So a little long to bake, but amazing torte can be made with these. So I love this. All right, so what you want to do is straight up and down. I start in the center and then just create a spiral. This meringue will not spread. It'll stay exactly like this. And as it bakes, the egg whites will dry out and crisp up a bit. Beautiful. See that? I'm going to just fill this in here, but not worry about it too much. Let's do the next one. Wasn't sure how many layers I would get, but it looks like with what I have left in the bowl, I probably get about 6 of these 6-inch, but that's okay. Okay, beautiful. And the last one, put a little bit more in the bag. Same thing, start in the center. I like to start in the center and spiral my way outwards. See the bag straight up and down, and you just a little bit of a squeeze. The mixture's soft enough. It's easy to pipe out. All right, beautiful. There's our 3 Japanese meringue layers that will slowly bake in the oven and dry out and be crispy. Make sure you look at, this is part 1. So part 2, I'm going to show you and remind you how to make a Swiss meringue buttercream, which we're going to use as the filling. And then there'll be part 3 where I take all the components and put them together and ice it, fill it and ice it, and make a beautiful torte. So come back to part 2 after they're baked, and we'll see you soon. Okay, bye.